Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to play 1v1 in Brawl Stars. So when you do a friendly battle, you have like lots of bots. So I'm gonna show you how to play 1v1. So click on Brawlers, make sure like you have your friend, you know how to do it. So in case you don't know how to invite your friend, you're gonna click on Brawlers on the left hand side of your screen, enter your friend's ID and the enter player ID, the text box, and click add friend button. Ask your friend to accept your invite by clicking Brawler's invite. On your home screen, click on the three lines which is present at the top right corner of your screen and then click friendly battle. Alright, so a pop-up window will appear with 10 friends just like this, including you and 9 other bots. You're gonna disable the 8 other bots by clicking the right corner right there. You're gonna disable them and keep only one. Alright, when you keep that one, you're gonna click on invite button on the last remaining bot card and select your friend whom you just added to your account. Click on solo showdown, present on the bottom right corner of your screen, right there. Yeah, so select the desired map from pop-up window and click on the solo button. Click on play button, initiate the friendly battle from there, and that is it.